Good morning, boys and girlies, and to our wonderful parents. Today's talk is about our decodable readers and what Mr. Brunsma is actually doing with the decodable readers. So the number one thing we're doing is with a decodable reader, decodable means that they can use their sounds to make the word. However, what's really great about these readers as well is that they have our current sight words. Sight words means words that they can learn by memorizing, not necessarily by using their sounds to build that word. So for instance, the little toys. So for them, they'd be, I would do a choral reading at the beginning of the week. It looks like the little toys. And I teach them that pointing to the word is very important because that gives the word both meaning, and when they start to read these books with many words, then they're going to lose their spot if they're not pointing to the word. So it's very important that they point to the word. So right here we can see I and am. Last week those were our sight words. And now what's interesting is it builds up. We have the and little. This week those are our sight words. So here's what it would look like. I would say, I am the little robot. They would go, I am the little robot. And if they don't point to the word, I would have them do it again. It's very important to me that they point to the word so that they give those words meaning. Then we go to the next page together. I am the little puzzle. So we see that there's a really good pattern with it. I am the little queen. And if you look at these first four sight words, really you could sound them out to figure them out. Like a letter by itself says its name. A and M would be am. And then TH, we teach them stick your tongue out and go the. And then little is pretty simple too if we're just doing our sounds. L, I, T, T, O. Little. So not only are they sight words, but those ones are words that they could actually sound out. Queen's a tough one. It's a new one for us. Q and U, they actually get married. We talk about that. Q cannot be without U, so they end up being married. We'll be doing that pretty soon in the class. And then when two vowels are together, we go, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So instead of going qua, it becomes qua, and then that first letter will say its name. So queen, queen. I am the little queen. But right now we are just choral reading. I am the little octopus. And the illustrations are, that's something you can talk about as well. They go along with what's been written down, so the words do have meaning. I am the little train. And you can see every page is starting with I am the little. I am the little block. Very important they point though, because we're not just, and then, so if you got, pointing like this, they're not understanding that the words have meaning. If you notice that I am the little spaceship and they go fast like that, then they're not giving words meaning. We got to bounce our finger, especially in the beginning. I am the little spaceship. And it shouldn't look like I am the little spaceship. So just trying to give you a heads up on the decodables. I hope that was pretty helpful for you. Again, it's wonderful because decodable does mean they can use their sounds to figure out what a word is, but also at the same point we are doing our sight words, which is awesome. So we are on our third and fourth sight words, the and little. Have the best day ever on this Tuesday. Peace.